Welcome all of you Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am showing with you mm, X at or tweet at how to at run on tweet and properly free. X company or Twitter company also provided a free limited time on at their platform. Okay, let's go. First of all, I will go to more and click on add. Here also ads option and they are going to add section sales. I also select on object only sales. Okay, I do not sense that and name of ads also what I can do. I can say my business name or I can use business name. Also they are want to our also they are ask me or payment option. I skip that. Okay, also keep recommend switch to advanced setting. I am not ready to advanced setting. I also showing you just easy method. Okay, next and only location. I can see location. Mm, select also location. Okay, at location. Brazil. Um, okay, I will not add more. Okay, yes, NES. I do not select any yes because this is free ad to provide. That's why I do not or I would not like to select yes. What did the purchase ticket lead generate tracker purchase tracker download tracker ad card. Okay, I do not change that. I have to wrote already description. Just copy and paste. I have add pixar to okay 3 2 I'm doing add something photos some photos. Okay, enough. Do Do I want more photos? No, I'm not interested. Okay, done. Headline 20% off or new CLI clients. Enough. I am also attach or adjust my website. Hmm, This website will be at my website. This is okay. 20% this client the WordPress client. No, Shopify dropship. Okay, launch my camping. Here is you can see our ads already have been there submit and a successful run on ad. We are success to ad run on Twitter. Here you can see our ad is running. Ad one is running. You can also see we will go to home page. See our ad is running. Thank you for connecting with us. Thanks a lot.